Howdy folks. Oftentimes when I'm doing a video like this, I come in with a bit of a plan. Today we don't have a very good plan. Okay, so the story goes like this. Our friends grow cucumbers in their garden, and when you grow cucumbers, you get too many cucumbers. When you grow anything, you often have an overage. So I got a couple of cucumbers from them, and I thought, what am I going to do with all this cucumber? And I decided I'm going to juice and acidulate it. That worked out really well with the watermelon. If you saw that video. Now, one thing that did come up when I made the watermelon was, why do this? Why not just add lime juice to your drink? And the point of this all is that if you acidulate a watermelon, or in this case a cucumber, you can get the tartness of the lime without adding more juice to your drink. So you can add a bigger volume of, say, cucumber juice. You don't have to add lime juice, so you won't be diluting your drink more just to get the tartness of the lime. So the goal is to have cucumber flavor with a nice tartness, but not over dilute it. Now, I was going to do this with gin at first. I thought gin and cucumber go well together. Maybe a little mint or something. I wasn't sure what to do. But then I thought, you know what goes good is cucumber and dill would go good. And this aquavit I have has dill in it. It's a little bit dill forward. So I gave that a shot. I decided aquavit, acidulated cucumber, and I need something to sweeten it. I decided Cointreau. Let's give it a shot. So all right, let's give this a try, just to see what we think. I mean, it looks gorge. I mean, it's a lovely aquavit sour. I think it's sweet enough. I had to add a little sugar. I don't think the Cointreau was really doing it. You don't get a ton of cucumber flavor. I'm worried this cucumber isn't gonna stand up. Have another sip. It's possible that, I mean, I love aquavit, but I'd be hard pressed to say that this isn't just a lime. I think what I'm gonna have to try and do is try this with gin, because the aquavit's taking over just a bit too much. This drink is gonna need a name. I was kind of thinking Cuke Skywalker? Let's give this a try. This is the gin version. Looks the same. You know what? The gin version's better. You get a distinct cucumbery aftertaste for sure. It's a little softer. That aquavit version is real aggressive with its botanicals, but I use Beefeater in this, and it's a lot more forgiving. It's a lot more. It's a lot more mixable. It's definitely still there, and it's not an overpowering cucumber flavor. I could have had more cucumber. I think if I did this next time, I would do less of the acid. I think I would do more like 3% citric acid, 1.5 malic, something like that, to let more of the cucumber come through with it not being so tart, so it would be easier to balance the drink, make it, you wouldn't have to add so much sweetener. But actually, this is pretty good. This is a lovely summertime cucumber sour. I mean, the thing is, the more I drink it, the more I'm enjoying it. When I made the watermelon one, you got a blast of watermelon right at the beginning, and it mellowed out at the other flavors. This you're getting like a sort of hint of cucumber at the beginning and a hint of cucumber at the end. And in between, it's more like gin and Cointreau. This is a really interesting drink. I think I'll keep playing around with acidulated cucumber. You know, something else you might try is to do this with mezcal instead of gin. If you don't know, if you have a classic drink that uses gin and you want to maybe mix it up, you could switch it out for mezcal. Mezcal swaps in for gin like really well a lot of the time. Mezcal, last word? Yes, very good. A mezcal aviation? Amazing. You can pretty much, it's worth a try all the time in any drink. So this might be fun in here. I'm really enjoying this gin version, but a mezcal version would be good too. Anyway, I'm happy with this. What would you do with cucumber? Let me know in the comments. Put out another video with some of your suggestions if you like. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it a lot. Give it a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you next time.